Hello, assume a developer wrote this piece of code in an Android application where she wants to handle a button event with a call on click method. However, when she looked that method up in the documentation, she found out this method was added in API level 15. That means smartphones using an earlier API level require the usage of the perform click method instead. To handle this issue, she has to add a so-called compatibility check, like this. Compatibility checks are very prevalent in Android applications. Therefore, my colleagues Paul Blockhaus, Jacob Krüger, my supervisor Frank Ortmeier, and me, Sebastian Nielebock, decided to construct a dataset consisting of such compatibility checks called AndroidCompass. Android compatibility checks were mainly used in the research of incompatibility detection. However, the datasets used here either lack of information on the changes of compatibility checks or efficient techniques for the generation of such datasets. Therefore, AndroidCompass provides such change information on the level of commits and uses a simple text processing technique with regular expressions to detect compatibility checks. We constructed AndroidCompass on the basis of the F-Droid database. We used a web crawler to extract almost 2,400 GitHub repositories of Android apps, and we analyzed these repositories by means of PyDriller. And we extracted a dataset of more than 80,000 individual changes to compatibility checks that originate from more than 21,000 commits and almost half of the original repositories. We extracted information on a general level like commit hashes and timestamps, as well as information on the compatibility check itself. Here we extracted the line in which the compatibility check takes place, the version code, which we reconstructed also from numbers, and we were able to do that for 97.7% of checks in our dataset, and also the comparison type. For the future work, we also want to extend this extraction by also tracking the guarded methods of the compatibility check. We want to support studies on the analysis of Android incompatibilities, for example, the evolution of compatibility checks. And we also want to support research for the incompatibility detection as well as for the automated patch suggestion, for example, by leveraging historical information. This closes my talk. You find AndroidCompass and the replication package on Zenodo and a preprint of our paper on archive. And now I'm happy to take your questions.